Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, today I'm coming with another video. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create surface from any kind of text, okay, and move text to elevation, okay. So first of all, I have my topographical file. This is topo from site. I have their elevation and points, okay. So I want to create surface from just from text, okay. This is lots of text, see, huge file. So if I want to check this text have elevation or not, okay. First of all, I click right mouse button and then coming to properties and check here the same text there is elevation, okay, 624.277 same, okay. So it's easy for create text, create surface, okay. Just I want to I create a new surface from here. If you want to give the name you can give, or if you want to also change the style you can change from here, okay, as it is, as you like, or keep as it is. So this is the surface I created, and then expand the plus sign, and coming to the definition, expand again plus sign, and coming to the drawing object, okay. So in this drawing object, just click mouse right button and click add, and the object type, from object type I want to choose text, okay, only text. If you want to give the description you can give, suppose I give NGL, which is natural ground level. I just click OK and select my all file, all points, all text, okay. So Civil 3D, select only text, not point, okay, because I want to create surface from text. But there is one thing I want to show you. You should move your text into point, okay, because you will get the exact x, y, z, okay. If you do right now you can get wrong x, y, but z you can get exactly, okay. So escape again, and then I have to select all the points I have. First of all I select ones, and then mouse right button and select similar, all the points are selected right now. So I am I want to move the text from this location to original coordinate, okay. So type M from your keyboard and then hit enter. See, there is no insertion point, so I want to coming here snap mode and click mouse right button, snap setting, and object snap, see in insertion point, okay. I want to on this, okay, check this, click OK, and then right now see the insertion point here, okay. Just click and see right now your all text move together, and put it exact center the point, okay. Yes, right now you can if you want to check others, see the same point, and text and point are same location, okay. Before you move, before you give command to move, you should on from here on only node and insertion point, okay. These two are important, you should remember this, okay. Right now I want to create the surface from text, give NGL, which is natural ground, select all text, Okay, click OK. See, this is your text. This is your surface is done. Coming to object viewer, you will see the proper surface and you will get XYZ from original location and original levels. Okay, this is very easy and simple way. So I want to show you another way to another file. Okay, this is some cases you can have this data. Now everything you can get from GPS. Okay, XYZ, but this is working in some cases. Maybe explore your points, maybe old version of total station or something like that. Okay, you can get only text, or you can get only points, or you can get from old software points. Okay, for these cases you can use this. Okay, right now I want to show you another text surface. Create a new page. Okay, this is new page. So I have nothing in this page, so I want to create some text, random text. Okay, I just copy this command. Suppose I just copy this text, Control C, and paste anywhere you want. So this is my text. This is my text. See, I have nothing in this text. Okay, so if I want to create surface from this text, what should I do? I just edit this text. First of all, I want to create some points. Okay, some elevation. Suppose 634.250. Okay, this is the elevation I want, and then this is only text. If you check properties, see, this is the M text. Okay, now I am select again and press X from my keyboard for explode. Hit enter. Now it's exploded. Okay, if you want to check again, now you will see only text. Okay, and now I want to copy. Before I do copy, I just create a points. POINT. Okay, I just click here this point and PTY. Hit enter. For change the style of points, give 60. Okay, now I have points and elevation, which is only text. Okay, so if you click the points, you will see X, Y, Z is 0, 0. Okay, copy both, select both and copy, because I want to create. Okay, that's enough for me. I want to change the elevation. Suppose sorry, there is, if you check text, there is, see, position Z is 0, 0. Okay, so ed, I just edit here 3.100 1.00. The last one is 6.00. Okay, so all text, all my text, just simple text. Okay, so I want to convert this all text into label. Okay, move to label. What should I do? Also, you can create surface from this text also, no problem. Okay, you can create text surface from any kind of text, but this text I want to move into elevation. the same elevation coming into text. So first of all, I'm going to modify. Before modify, I want to move my all text to the point. So select my all text, select similar, type M from my keyboard, and then hit enter, and click the insertion points and move into your points middle of the node like this. Check again. Also text are 00. So now I am coming again, modify and surface. Coming here, move to surface, and then coming the last option is move text to elevation. Okay, and select my all text and hit enter or press mouse right button like this. Now check the text, go to properties. Now you will see text elevation, which is 630.500. okay, which is I want this elevation for create surface. And after you create the surface, you can get also xy from this point. So just simple right now. Click surface, click OK, go to the surface and click choose text, click OK, and then select all. Here it is, your surface. You can see in object viewer, this is your surface. Okay, so also you can draw a surface from your any kind of text. You just copy and paste. Okay, just copy again, copy, paste. Now coming here again, add text. Okay, that's it. Okay, if you want to see this in 3D view, okay, I'll show you. Just coming here and click to the vertical, okay, and show you this surface in 3D and 2D. Okay, so this is the first of all, I am coming here and choose from visual style. From here I'll choose conceptual and then click the top of, okay, if I click mouse right button, choose free orbit. Now you can see better. Now you can see better way. Okay, any kind of drawing you can see in 3D mode in Civil 3D. Okay, also this is the viewport. You can change the style from here. See, lots of option here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. If you have any benefit from my video, please like, share and comment. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.